I'm Urvashi Jain. I'm a rehabilitation and counseling psychologist. I got to know about this course, Basics of CBT, through a LinkedIn post that was posted by Dr. Chinu. The post was basically for budding psychologists and with the aim that everybody should know at least how to do CBT. And that's what the whole course focused on, why it was so important for us to know. Each concept was broken down into parts. Everything was demonstrated in each session. It was very structured, and it has been so easy to understand each concept when it is broken down into parts. Dr. Chinu made it very, very easy to understand. The style of teaching is very effective, and it has helped me personally build a lot more confidence in my practice. So I would just like to thank Dr. Chinu and Feelings Mind for this wonderful course. I personally have already made a list of all the courses that I would go forward with. So I guess this is just start of my journey with Feelings Mind. Thank you.